Hey guys, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, whatever time of the day it is for you, and welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia Hayes, and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. And today we're going to review and use the Bunch of Balloons Party Pump. This is what the box looks like. It has instructions. Actually, it came with balloons, which you see I already have it hooked up to the pump here. Came with two sets of balloons, 16 altogether, and the color that I chose was gold. It does come with other various colors, either multiple colors or single colors. I also picked up, these are all white, and you get 24 in the bag. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It has hoses that are attached together that go to the balloons, and these are self-adhering, like you don't have to tie them up, there's no blowing. It also comes with an attachment for blowing up other things like single balloons or beds or pool toys, things of that nature. And it has an attachment that would go over top of, let me bring you guys a little closer. Okay, right here, I already stuck these in and take it out, and this is where these would go. I guess they would come in rows because these came separately. I could either put both of these in together right here, or I can just do a single row right here in the front. What you do is you turn this dial right here to whichever setting you need for blowing up the amount of balloons that you need. Okay, and the direction says to stick a single row in. I'm only going to do a single row because I'm just going to try it out. And it has directions for using helium or air compressor. It also has a how-to for using other inflatables, like I said, pool toys or something of that nature. And these are the directions for how to fill up the bunch of balloons. Alright guys, so here we go. And it says to inflate for 40 seconds. And I'm going to bring this up. I'm going to push it back so we can see what it's going to do. Oh, come on, thing. Stop doing that. Alright. Step back a little bit maybe. And here we go. I don't know if that was 40. I wasn't counting, but ooh, it feels warm. The hose is a little bit warm. But hey, check it out. Look at that. I like it. I like it. And you know what? The only other colors that I seen it come in, red, blue, green, white, gold, red, blue, green, white, gold, yellow, the basic colors. But anyway, here it is. Oh, and so what you would do is you can cut these tubes off. Cut them down as far as you, well, this. Cut these tubes right here as far as you need them to go. So guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these as an example of how I will put the cluster of balloons over top of this centerpiece of project number 2. Hold on, I'll be right back.